The Elixir Wide Comfort Seat Installation and Review. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I purchased this wide bike seat to go on my mountain bike to replace the narrow original seat that came on it. So I figured this one would be more comfortable for longer rides. As you can see, I actually already have it installed on my wife's bike right here. I'm going to do it on mine, and installation is very simple. As you can see, there's just a couple of nuts on either side, the same as on the seat that's on my bike originally. I'm going to use my 13mm socket and ratchet to loosen one of the nuts. You may need to loosen both, but usually loosening one is enough to get the seat off. Slide it up and off. And now I'm going to take the wide seat that I got off of Amazon, slide it right over the post, and I'm going to tighten the 13mm nut right here, just make sure the seat is straight. And that's it. The installation is done. So it's super simple. Just loosen the nuts, slide the old seat off, take the new one, slide it on, tighten the nuts. It also has a tilt adjustment, so while these nuts are loose, you can take the seat, you can tilt it down, you can tilt it up, you can get it to where it's comfortable for you. My review of this seat is that this is a very good, comfortable seat. After an hour and a half of riding, I felt totally fine, and the day after, I feel fine. I have no pain from the bike seat. I will say, when I had the original seat on, I could only ride for so long before it became uncomfortable and I would have to stop. So I recommend this seat. I think it's very comfortable, especially if you want to ride for longer time periods. And also, it has good reviews on Amazon. I think it's almost 5 out of 5 stars. I recommend this seat. It's easy to install on your bike. It's fairly inexpensive, and it will allow you to ride your bike for longer periods of time and more comfort. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.